Hello friend, today I will show you how you can draw charts on text data using Python code and online at Kaggle.com. In my case, I have author list and proposed methodologies in this format. I collect 25 papers and write author names here and proposed methodologies used here. Then I just get only name of the uh, proposed methodology, or you can say it classifiers. Write the name of classifiers, and here I just add these extra values, like here semicolon, here double comma, colon, and this. Using this, combine this value, copy paste here. It come in this shape, and it reads Python code, reads this data and convert it into data frame. Then using these lines of code, it draw this uh, bar chart here, and this is the who of this bar chart. Here you can see all the names of the authors, and here the classifiers and classifier used by different authors display here. And another format of this, in this format you can change the size also. Here you can change the size. So here I just added the number of time each method is used, and the author list is display printed on the bars. Then here another format. Here I use only limited data, only these line, not all data, and I just change the color. There are many other color option also. Then I used this code to create a pie chart, and as we have hue in the in bar chart, and in pie chart we have legend, and here it is the legend. You can see the list of authors in, and the relevant colors shows here the classifiers. Same another format. Here you can see the classifier used, and in front of classifier you can see the list of the authors. There is another format. Here I write the classifiers, also display the classifier names with the portion of pie chart, and we you can see on the top. You can change the position of we using this line of code. LOC, you can change the location, and here using this code I just get the list of classifiers and classifier used by authors. So all this I will paste this URL on this video, and you can see this Kaggle uh, page online, and you can see all this code and you can change it by yourself. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.